Hi, I hope that you're all doing fine. My name is Sepide, and on behalf of Persian Campus, I teach you Persian alphabet and script. This is our second video. Totally, there are 4 videos. Look for the next 2 or the first one if you haven't watched it yet on www.persiancampus.com. In the first video, we have learned these letters: Aleph, A sound, B, B sound, Dal, D, Re, R, Sin, S, Mim, M sound, and Noon, N sound. In this video, we are going to learn these letters: P, T, Z, Shin, Kaf, Vav, He, and Ye. Together, that will be 15 letters. Let's continue with T. T with 2 forms, the big one for the final position and the small one for the beginning and middle position. The sound is T, T, as in dast, dast. You already have learned D, A, S, and today the blue one is T, that sounds T. It means hand. Next example is Tab, Tab, with little t at the beginning. Tab means swing. Next letter is Vav, Vav. Well, it has 2 forms. If it sounds oo, the first one will be used for the beginning position and the second one for middle and final positions. But the second form can also have the V sound. If it sounds V, it can come at the beginning, middle, and final position. Here are examples. Oo, oo means he or she. I should say that there is no gender differences in Persian. Next is Dood, Dood. Here Vav has oo sound. Dood. It means smoke. Next one is Moo, Moo, where Vav is in the final position and it has the oo sound again. Moo means hair. And last one is Nanva, Nanva. Here you see Vav in the middle position that sounds V. Well, get ready for a little bit complexity with Ye, Ye. It has 3 forms. The first one is for the beginning position, the second one for the middle, and the last one for the final position if they sound E. But the last 2 forms can also sound Ye. In this case, the middle one can occur at the beginning and middle position, and the last one at the final position. Examples are Iran, Iran, Sib, Sib. It means apple. Here you see in these 2 examples, Ye sounds E. Also, Sini, Sini. It means tray. And last one is Ney, Ney, where Ye sounds Y. Now, after a hard try, you deserve an easy letter. Z, Z, with only 1 form for all positions. It sounds Z, as in Suzanne, Suzanne. it means needle. And zan, zan means woman. Do you remember in the first video I said alif, the one that doesn't have the hat, is used as a base for the short vowel in Persian? We learned a sound, and now here is the o sound with two forms, the big one for the beginning position and the other one that sits above the other letters. And the point is that we don't usually write those small nice O, as in ordak. Ordak means dog, as in boz. Boz means goat. Next one is pe. Pe with two forms, the big one for the final and the small one for the beginning and middle position. The sound is p, p, as in pop, pop, and par, par. Well, you see that how dots are important in our alphabet system. The number of dots above or under each letter changes the letter, as in sheen, sheen, with two forms. If you remember, we had seen in the previous video with the same shape but without any dots, and the sound was s. But now here we have sheen with three dots above. That sounds sh. Again, it has two shapes, the big one for the final and the small one for the beginning and middle position, as in rish, rish, as in shab, shab. It means night. Then we have cough, cough, the big and small one. The big one for final and the small one for middle and beginning positions. The sound is k, k, as in commode, means cupboard, as in namak, namak, means salt. If you have paid attention, our k is different from English one, which is somehow like k. Now, are you ready for a complicated letter? That is he. With, well, four forms for beginning, middle, and final position if it is connected to the previous letter or if it is not connected to any other letters and it stands alone. The sound is the point is that the last two forms also have another sound, which is e. E. Let's practice them in the words. Hand. Hand means India. Shahr. Shahr with the head in the middle position. Shahr means city. Meh. Meh, the head that is connected to the previous letter and it sounds he. Meh means fog. And ma, ma, with the one that can stay alone. Ma means moon. The same forms can sound e, as in baste. Baste means box. And as in parande. Parande means bird. Now let's read two texts with the letters we have learned in these two videos. Text 1. امین سینی در دست دارد. در سینی سیب است. Now repeat after me, but at the same time Pay attention to the subtitles to understand the meaning. امین، سینی، در، دست، دارد، در، سینی، سیب، است. Practice saying the sentences without any stop. امین سینی در دست دارد. در سینی سیب است. Now shadow with me. It means repeat with me, not before or after. امین سینی در دست دارد. در سینی سیب است. Let's get to next line. بابا سیب برمی دارد و به نانوا می دهد. Let's repeat word by word. بابا سیب برمی دارد و به نانوا می دهد. Pay attention that this is the formal usage of the language. It is not informal. You will learn the informal form of Persian soon. Now try to repeat the complete sentence. بابا سیب برمی دارد و به نانوا می دهد. Now shadow with me. بابا سیب برمی دارد و به نانوا می دهد. The second text. امروز مادر با سوزن برای نیکی دامن می دوزد. Repeat word by word. امروز مادر با سوزن برای نیکی دامن می دوزد. Shadow. امروز مادر با سوزن برای نیکی دامن می دوزد. Repeat a little bit faster. امروز مادر با سوزن برای نیکی دامن می دوزد. Second line. نیکی با اردک بازی می کند و دوست او پریسا با توپ بازی می کند. Repeat word by word. نیکی با اردک بازی می کند و دوست او پریسا با توپ بازی می کند. Shadow. نیکی با اردک بازی می کند و دوست او پریسا با توپ بازی می کند. A little bit faster. نیکی با اردک بازی می کند و دوست او پریسا با توپ بازی می کند. Now let's see how many letters we have learned. Don't forget that we don't learn them in order because I want to find suitable small texts that make you able to read sooner. Alef, B, P, T, Dal, Re, Z, Sin, Shin, Kaf, Mim, Nun, Vav, He, and Ye. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube, follow us on social media, and visit our website for more, www.persiancampus.com. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask and leave us comments. Bye for now.